Now, enough moping. Take this back to the science fair and fix that memory scanner. Maybe you've forgotten. I'm a time cop from the future. Should be taken very seriously. Okay, you got me. I'm not a cop. But I really am from the future. And there really is this bowler hat guy.
Hey, Chaz, wake up. We're here. You all right, Chaz? You mean you're gonna get a job, Chaz? Sure beats Syracuse, Chaz. When do we start? Oh, how delightful. How lucky we are. Gee, what do you suppose TC is doing with all those books? Golly, Chaz, you didn't tell me about this.